Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix the action can't be completed because the file is open in another program on Windows 10 or 11. So guys, if you are using Windows 10 or 11 and you are facing this problem once you try to open any folder, so to resolve this problem, press Windows key plus R. Now type rasmon.exe, then OK. Now you will see this window. Now here select CPU. Now click on this drop down arrow. Now here search your folder name. So now right click on it, then just click on end process. Again click on end process. Now close it and try to delete. So this way guys you can fix and resolve this problem. Thanks for watching.